We had a client that had difficulty rolling silverware. So I came up with this jig. If you notice, we have a little cutout here. It's the kind of a shape of a knife. So what we did, we put this napkin on here, and then the first thing they would put on would be, or in this knife. And if you noticed that this corner turns up just a little bit when you set that knife in, and that was one of the issues that he was having. He can never remember to fold that in. So he put the knife in, put the fork, the spoon, then because this was sticking up, he would remember to put that in, fold this, and then just roll it up, and then put your little band on.